Both color variant ang nakuha natin dito for the Realme 12. And ang kanyang camera is a 108MP 3x portrait camera. Meron daw siya 5,000 mAh sa battery with 45 watt support. Meron daw siyang dual stereo speaker. And probably the thing na gusto ko dito sa kanya is ang kanyang design which looks like the Realme 12 Pro Plus. Tara, buksan natin. So kita na natin ang unboxing and nakahawak natin is both colors na meron ni Realme 12. Twilight Purple, Woodland Green. So anong color na gusto ninyo? Let me know on the comments. So itong Realme 12 na may 8 gigs of RAM and 256GB of storage is currently priced at $14,999. Hindi ganun ka-friendly ang kanyang price. So sasabihin ko sa inyo, abangan nyo ang sale ni James Afante. Ibabagsak siguro niya itong presyo ng phone na ito below 13,000 pesos. Who knows? Check na lang si James Afante sa TikTok. Now, one of the things na magugustuhan mo talaga dito sa phone na ito is ang kanyang design. It looks really premium, kahit nasa ganitong presyohan lang. Pero yung design niya looks more of a flagship. It pretty looks like the Huawei Mate 50 Pro, yung kanyang camera module dito. It looks really nice. And ang kanyang likod is a matte finish. And nakakatuwa lang meron siyang pa-zipper pa dito sa gitna. Ang kanyang design is flat na flat ang likod. And medyo makanto nga lang siya dito kasi ginaya na sa iPhone. One of the good things is nandiyan pa kanyang audio jack dito sa ilalim. And mapapansin mo is very shiny din ang kanyang plastic frame. So, expect maraming fingerprints to. Now, binunod ko ang kanyang SIM tray. Makita natin is a hybrid. So, either go for 1 nano SIM plus isang micro SD or dalawang 5G na nano SIMs. Now, itong phone na ito is being powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus. It's a 6nm chip and it's just perfect for everyday usage. And nung sinalo ko siya sa Antutu benchmark, nakuha siya ng 428,000 points. And if you break it down, this is the score that makukuha mo from this chip. I would say na katamtaman lang siya, hindi siya ganun kalakas kasi it could hardly even crack 500,000 points sa Antutu benchmark. Mababa lang naman kanyang loop score, 331, but the stability is 99%. Ito ang score na kuha na sa Geekbench sa CPU benchmarking, and ito naman sa GPU benchmarking. Looking good naman ng kanyang thermals, and it throttled to 91% ng kanyang best performance. Now, this phone has a 5,000 mAh of battery. Nothing to be proud of kasi it's just a industry standard. So, I would say na katamtaman ng bigat na itong phone na ito. Hindi naman siya super gaan and hindi rin naman siya super bigat. And itong phone na ito is weighing in at around mga 188 grams. And proud si Realme na sabihin na 45 watts ang charging dito sa phone na ito. But if you look at other brands, yung ganitong presyohan, makakuha ka na ng 80 watts charger and above, no? So, I think it's a little bit left out na si Realme pagdating sa charging speed. So, charging this phone from 0 to 100 takes you a little bit more than an hour to finish the full charging cycle. But one thing na magugustuhan mo dito sa phone na ito is that it nearly gives me a 17-hour na screen on time. And this is based on 50% brightness and 60 Hz na screen refresh rate. Now, kanyang display is not a AMOLED display. This one instead is a IPS LCD. Ang kanyang size is 6.72 inch and pinaka-maximum na brightness nitong phone na ito is 950 nits. But the good thing is support naman niya 120 Hz of screen refresh rate dito. Now, if you're solely using this for social media, I would say more than enough na itong phone na ito kasi browsing through Facebook and sa Twitter, TikTok, and all of the other social media sites, okay na okay siya. Smooth na experience. If you're swiping across mga shorts, mga reels, okay na okay siya. Kasi smooth naman siya thanks to its 120 Hz of screen refresh rate. And kung mahilig ka naman ng videos dito sa phone na ito, I would say okay din siya kasi meron din siya level 1 Wi-Fi security level based sa DRM info. And if you're watching HD content dito sa Netflix, I'm sure mag-enjoy ka. So nanonood ako ng couple of videos dito sa YouTube and I would say okay naman siya. I didn't have any problem dito. And watching mga basketball games and Korean novela dito and animes, okay na okay siya. But don't expect na yung display niya will be as good as a AMOLED screen. Now, since sinabi ni Realme, meron siyang dalawang speakers dito, isa sa ibabaw at isa sa ilalim, and feel ko medyo imbalance siya, no? Kasi apat dito sa ilalim and iisa lang ang loudspeaker dito sa ibabaw. Pakinggan lang natin. Now, one thing na napansin ko dito, pwede mo set up to 200% ng kanyang normal volume ito phone na ito. And it's quite loud but medyo may imbalance lang talaga. Nung pinakinggan ko yung speaker dito sa ilalim and dito sa ibabaw, medyo mas mahina ang buga dito sa ilalim kasi dahil isa lang butas niya compared dito sa ilalim na 4. But overall, the sound is quite loud. But hindi kasing loud ng mga flagship phones nga lang. Now, pagdating naman sa gaming to phone na ito, well, it can quite play some games like Call of Duty Mobile and Farlight 84. So, sinalang ko to dalawang games na ito. Call of Duty Mobile, expect a good gaming experience dito. Wala kang mafe-feel naman ng frame drops. Though you cannot set it to all high settings dito kasi medyo, of course, limitation ng chip niya. But the overall experience is good. Smooth naman ng gameplay. Wala kang mafe-feel na lag naman dito sa kanya. The graphics okay, not the best. And ang touch response naman dito sa phone na ito is quite good. So, after playing several battle royals dito, I would say okay naman siya. Hindi mo naman mafe-feel na naglalag ang game, lalo kung nag-rat-ratan kayo, marami kayo on a certain place, okay naman siya for me. Now, pagdating sa Farlight 84, pwede mo naman siya iset sa all high settings, but magsisisi ka nga lang kasi maglalag siya ng gusto. So, binaba ko siya sa HD. So, it's a little bit better ang gameplay. So, expect mo naman there's a few lags along the way. And I did play several matches dito ng VR matches. Okay naman siya. I was able to win several games naman dito. And one thing na pansin ko sa kanya is yung animation medyo bumabagal lalo na pag tumatagal ang gameplay mo. And it gets a little bit warm kasi yung phone na ito heated up to 49 degrees Celsius nung after 1 hour ko nilalaro itong game na ito using my Malsi na thermal scanner. So pag-usapan na natin right now ang camera performance nitong phone na ito. And it starts off with a 108MP na main camera sensor, which is a Samsung ISOCELL na HM6. Together with it is a 2MP na depth sensor, and this one can shoot up to 1080p and 30fps. Ang kanyang front camera is 8MP and can shoot you also up to 1080p and 30fps. Okay, so simulan muna natin ang ating camera analysis with some outdoor shots. So, like looking at some of these photos from outdoors, and pag zoom in natin dito sa bulaklak na ito, it looks really nice. No? There's a lot of details captured within this shot. And pansin ko yung mga greens are quite good, hindi siya ganun ka-saturated, and maganda yung pagka-purple na itong bulaklak na ito. And I kinda love the way na na-capture itong shot na ito. This one, yung kinda pagka-purple, no? Yung real-life itsura na ito is a little bit pale, but itong camera ito was able to enhance it a bit to make it a little bit more Instagrammable. Pag tinignan naman natin itong photo na ito, you really get some nice details dito sa shot na ito. And pag zoomin mo dito sa picture na ito, makita mo ang daming details na makikita mo dito. And one thing na napansin ko is maganda rin ang kanyang pagka-background blur. Na pag tinignan natin dito sa bato na ito, makita mo medyo may pagka-artificial ang kanyang color. So, zoom in mo dito, makita mo parang medyo may pagka-pale konti. Unlike yung mga shots from my other cameras, it looks a little bit more artificial. Now, ginamit din natin kanya zoom lens. Now, looking at this shot, makita natin magandang mga details dito sa cloud. Siguro hindi lang ganun ka-detailed, fluffy naman siya tingnan, pero medyo kulang sa details. Now, if you zoom it using kanya 3x zoom, you'll see itong shot na ito. Looks very clear pa rin kahit after zooming for 3 times. And makita natin yung blue sky medyo mas naging lighter konti as compared dun sa kanyang one-time zoom. Now, one thing na napansin ko dito sa kanyang camera is magandang kanyang performance when it comes to low light indoors. Makita natin shot na ito, kung zoomin natin, maganda pa rin ang pagka-capture dito. Yung kanyang subject dito sa harap, then yung binu-blur na yung kanyang likod, looks really good. Take a quick shot dito sa loob ng coffee shop, makita mo, magandang dito, pagka-capture dito sa loob ng coffee shop. Very nice, very cozy tingnan ang picture na ito. If you look at this shot, this is a very quick snap na ginawa ko. Pag tinignan mo dito, kitang-kita yung details dito pagka-emboss dito sa logo. And ito naman is a very low light shot. Madilim dito, just a spotlight lang makita mo dito. And maganda pagka-capture na dito. Now, looking at some of this screenshot, pag zoom in mo, well, a little bit grainy, pero makita mo pa rin mga details niya. Now, using the zoom lens on indoor, this is a normal shot. And this is a 3x zoom shot. Zoom in mo, kita mo pa rin lahat ng mga nakaprint dito sa menu board. Now, using the front-facing camera, makita mo okay yung kind of quality, but it's a little bit grainy konti sa akin subject, no? Medyo may konting pagka-blurry. One thing na you would notice is a bit shaky din siya. Now, if you use the rear camera, stable siya, and yeah, kita natin nagle-left and right ako. Iniwasan ko mga tao, and I'm just walking using my bare hand. Okay naman siya. It's quite good. Now guys, anong verdict ko dito sa phone na ito? This one can definitely perform, give you a good experience, and Honestly, ang kanyang design is quite good. But the price is not really that friendly at $14,999 kasi pagdating sa gaming performance, you wouldn't really squeak out some good games dito sa phone na ito. Pwede ka naman maglaro ng mga hindi graphic intense na games dito sa phone na ito like ML, PUBG, and si Call of Duty Mobile, and siguro si Asphalt 9. If you play mga games like Genshin Impact and Warzone, don't expect this one to perform. Overall, ang kanyang performance is good for daily usage, and I would recommend you to follow James Afante para sa kanyang price drop dito sa phone na ito. If he can drop this one below 13,000 pesos, it's a good buy. But if you want to know kung saan pwede mabili itong phone na ito, I'll be linking on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share to your friends, and a sub to this channel would definitely be awesome. I'll see you in the next one.
And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.